Hey guys, let me take you to the street food of Nigerian Bole. I made this recipe and I want to show you how to make this Nigerian Boli and how to make Nigeria's Boli sauce recipe. If you're interested in this, please do not forget to watch this video to the end. And welcome to Olayemi Cooking, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's cook with me. I have ripe plantain. This is a ripe plantain. You can actually get this in the mall, and you can get it anywhere you get your grocery. So let's start preparing our Nigerian Bole. It's very simple and it's very delicious. It is, after all, it's a ripe plantain. All what you need to do is to wash your plantain and peel it. So we are going to peel the back of the plantain. Actually, I show you how to peel plantain in my plantain cheese recipe, so I just want to show you how to do the same thing again. So this is the outcome after peeling it. It looks really beautiful and it looks fresh. So I'm just going to cut my plantain, just give it a little cut but not too deep, because I want the plantain to be well roasted and well cooked when I put it in the oven. It's actually an oven baked boli, Nigerian boli. So actually, if you find this in Nigeria street, you'll find them roasting this plantain, this boli as we normally call it, in the charcoal. So after doing this, let me put this in the oven and let's start preparing our boli sauce. So this, we have fresh tomatoes. I already chop it, I already slice it into smaller size. I have cooking oil in the pot. I have some. One thing about preparing your sauce, you have to have enough chopped onions. So I like enough chopped onions in my sauce, so I will just give it a nice stir. If you find this sauce in Nigeria street, they normally prepare it with palm oil or sometimes vegetable oil. So I'm going to go ahead and add my tomato sauce, and this sauce is very delicious. You can as well eat it with rice. Yes, so I'm going to add habanero, my chopped habanero, or add tolerance. You can pair your spice. You can just reduce. I had enough spice because I like spicy food. So I'm just going to cover it and allow the sauce to be well cooked, because I don't want the taste of the fresh tomatoes to remain, and I want the water in the fresh tomatoes to be dry. So as you can see, it's dried. I'm just going to add some seasoning just to give it a nice taste. I'll add some pinch of salt, and can also add garlic or ginger, however you want it to taste. And I'm going to give you some dry thyme leaf. I'm going to add, that's just a pinch, some little amount of it. Then I'm going to give it a nice stir. I want it to be well mixed and well rich with my seasoning. So we are going to allow this to cook for a couple of minutes, like a minute. Then our sauce should be ready. You can as well add grilled fish or fried fish. So I'm going to skip that. I'm not going to add that, but it's normally common when you find that dry fish in it in Nigeria street. That's what it is. So our bala is ready. I baked it and I roasted it in the oven for 15 minutes, and our bala is ready. So this is how to make your Nigerian bole, and it really sticks delicious without salt. Everything tastes good. If you really want to enjoy your bole when it's very hot, just add your sauce. And actually, you can use other things to eat your bole, like peanuts, that's groundnut as we call it in Nigeria. You can use groundnut to eat your bole, and you can as well use bole sauce to eat your bole. So this is the outcome. I can't wait to eat this, and this is my Nigeria recipe, and it's very delicious. As I say, you can as well use that sauce to eat your rice. And do not forget to watch this akara recipe. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button on this video if you really enjoy it, and do not forget to hit the like button, and remember to share my video with your loved ones. Thanks for watching. I guess I will see you in my next recipe. Please be safe out there.